And then we have noise cancellation. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. YouTube, the brand new AirPods 4 are here, and we have the pair that have active noise cancellation. And we're going to be going head to head with the other favorite pair that has active noise cancellation, or according to Apple, professional active noise cancellation, which comes in the form of the AirPods Pro 2. I made a video about these. I absolutely love these. And the plus and the reason why that's even significant is the fact that I do not care for in-ear rubber, cheap silicone plastic tips because my skin typically doesn't like that. Well, Apple has like a hybrid material for this, and it works extremely well. Then they have the extra small ear tips, which work perfectly for my fit in my ear. Speaking of fit, that's one of the things with AirPods, they can be hit or miss. Now, fortunately for me, I've been able to use all of the AirPods, the regular AirPods, the original ones, AirPods 2, AirPods 3, and now I'm expecting the same with AirPods 4. But the kicker is the fact that these actually have a form of active noise cancellation. That's what has me here. Now, if you don't know, I used to do audio engineering, so I'm big on audio. I kind of know what to listen for, but I'm also, I'm not a snob with it. I'm not an audiophile. I do own a DAC, and I do have some IEMs and some high-end mixing and editing headphones, but I guess I might be somewhat of a snob. Neither here nor there. Let's get into the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, as well as, can I save you some money? Or can you save money? Depending on your ear fit too, are these just the option for you? You know, not everyone can do the AirPods Pro 2, and maybe these are your go-to. Let's get into it. All right, let's go. So boom, simple unboxing. No cable, no anything, just the AirPods. We lose the MagSafe case, unfortunately, with these, which I think the AirPods 3 actually have the MagSafe case. At least they had the option to get that. Do you get, oh, Apple is done with the stickers. For all you Apple sticker fans, it's over with. Apple has canceled stickers, so get over it. Now, a lot of things about these AirPods 4 align with the AirPods Pro 2. So it's very possible for you to spend just $179 versus the $249 and get a similar to close to the same experience. Now, the active noise cancellation obviously is rated as professional active noise cancellation with the AirPods Pro 2 because you get a seal. In comparison to these, you never get a full seal, which is why I'm curious to see how the active noise cancellation. I know I'm talking a lot, but I just want to lay the platform for the comparison of these and how it all spans out before we get into the audio test. So both of these have the H2 chip, which has been phenomenal in these, and I'm expecting it to perform extremely well in these. Now, you can do later on with the software update a hearing test with the AirPods Pro 2. You can't do that with these. And as far as the rating on Apple's website for listening, 6 hours versus 5 hours. But I mean, you're gonna have your case with you. You can extend that to up to 30 hours. So these are rated at a slightly higher battery life. So that's something to consider if you're in between these two. They have the same sweat, dust resistance. They have the same, it seems to be, microphone within them. A lot of things are the same in between these two. Also, one separating factor between these that's inevitable is that these have the swipe feature. So you can swipe up and down on the stem to get the volume up or down. These will not have that. So a little bit of separating the two and kind of, I guess, somewhat justifying that price point on this one. As you guys can see, USB-C is in the building. You have the sound on both. So when you do the Find My, I love it because you can have these play an audio as well as you get the Find My capabilities with the, like GPS tracking and so forth. Bye-bye to the physical button that you use to pair, but there's a capacitive button on these. So we're gonna see how that goes. But nevertheless, at this point, I'm ready to just hear the sound. Let's get straight into it. Boom, super simple to pair these. Oh, I gotta unlock to connect, okay. Face ID really quick, connecting, super simple. And then now you can see press and hold either AirPod to switch between noise reduction and transparency mode. Personalized volume, oh, that's kind of cool. I should probably turn that on. conversational awareness. And then you can control your AirPods by moving your head, which is pretty cool. Let's turn that on. And here you have it. This is how they shipped. Only 37%. Oh, well, it is what it is. We about to get straight into it. I can tell that the active or whatever, the noise reduction that's happening right now. So let me see if I press and hold. Okay, that's more of like, I guess, transparency mode. So what I'm gonna do is, let me open up. So right here in control center, as you guys can see, I'm on noise control set to transparency. So here's adaptive. And then we have noise cancellation. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Respect. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. I expected Apple to deliver because the active noise cancellation on the AirPods Pro 2 is so good. The H2 chip. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. Now, obviously, these do not create the same type of seal as the tips that are on the AirPods Pro 2, but boy, this is solid. All right, let me jump into some music really quick. All right, so Crash Out by Katuri Walker.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm look in the mirror like, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, oh, I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing on these.
Lossless audio, by the way.
Like, yeah, I'm like, look in the mirror like, damn it, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, oh.
Wow, that active noise cancellation is nice. Now, Apple, in my opinion, has a nice sound profile for their AirPods. It has a nice, clean, smooth bass, a nice sound profile for listening to music, taking phone calls, and doing all of this other extra things that it does. It does it extremely well. So that was the active noise cancellation mode. I'm gonna switch into a transparency mode.
They getting they feeling and dragged down. That's why they just crash out. Stuck in the cell and it's man down. Life getting gone in a flash now. Fitting in, I'ma stand out.
Yo. Okay. That good old Apple transparency. I can hear my voice now. The transparency mode, that's cool. You know, it's cool because it's added. Typically, people pick the hard shell AirPods is because you can still hear your environment to a degree, and you get the, you know, the audio experience mixed with, like, it's almost like open back earbuds. With the transparency mode on, while using these, you're getting a little bit of a boost to your vocal audio and your tones and things like that. Okay, so I'm pretty sure your environment is getting somewhat of an audible boost. Okay. So let me see, start it over.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm look in the mirror like, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, oh.
Okay, hold on. All right, one more thing I gotta do, right? Now, what I wanna do is just turn off transparency mode, right? So if I go in here and I just turn it off. Now that it's switched off, now these feel like typical AirPods wear, right? I
can't be chasing on these.
Okay.
They getting they feeling and dragged down. That's why they just crash out. Stuck in the cell and it's man down. Life getting gone in a flash now. Fitting in, I'ma stand out.
Okay.
I done seen these crash out. They some baby boy.
All right, so I'll tell you this. If you're in an environment where you need to hear your environment, turn on transparency mode. Like, it's just gonna boost your feed from your environment, allowing you to hear more and not be so secluded in music. If you just want the typical AirPods experience, you can go to the off mode as opposed to transparency mode, which I like a bit better than transparency mode unless I needed transparency. You get what I'm saying? So active noise cancellation, I'm gonna go back to that, then I'm gonna put in the AirPods Pro 2 at active noise cancellation, and then I'll get into the comparison between the two and I'll let you guys know. So hit here, tap there, noise cancellation. You hear the little doo. Man, that's crazy what they were able to do with these hard shells. I can still hear myself, but you know, you hear yourself in an active noise cancellation type of environment. All right, let me start this over. You know, it's my cut.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the...
Oh, man, I just got a call. Hey, how you doing? I'm pretty good, man. Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm not surprised, man. They always got something going, so that's cool, man. I appreciate yeah. All right, so I just got a phone call. Phone quality was good. I mean, what do you expect there? AirPods. Okay. All right, we're going to come out of it. Wow, it's crazy. When you take them out of your ear, you feel the shift. Okay. Man, Apple working their Apple magic over there with that active noise cancellation and a hard shell body. We got to give props to that. That's crazy, man. Major respect. Okay, so I might have gotten the new AirPods stuff with my AirPods Pro 2, it looks like, because they're telling me about this. Oh, okay, yeah, we're going to turn on. Yeah, I did. Okay, so the AirPods Pro 2 are updated. Right now, it's in transparency mode. Let me switch to active noise cancellation. Okay, yeah. Wow, you know what? That is impressive. That is impressive. Give me, hold on. One second. All right, let me see. Pull those out. Put these in. Wow. Okay. All right, yeah, I see the difference. For sure. Definitely pro level active noise cancellation as Apple has announced it in comparison to these, which are just active noise cancellation. But it's, wow. Okay. And go into these. Oh yeah. You see the difference. If you're trying to do airplane or something crazy, you're gonna go AirPods Pro 2. You know what I mean? But if you were stuck in a pinch and these are what you had, it's not gonna cut everything out, but it's gonna get you a lot closer than you would if you just had regular AirPods. That's for sure. Let's get this song going.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm look in the mirror like, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, I gotta get to the bag now.
Okay. Hold on. All right, bet. Pull these out real quick. Let's see. Dang. Okay. Let me see.
Don't know me, it's my time. Check. I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm look in the mirror like, damn it.
Okay, listen. I'm gonna tell you like this. The AirPods Pro 2, because they have a better seal, a better active noise cancellation environment, you really get more in tune or like tuned into the basses and the lower frequencies. You get more of the, how can I say this in a way that makes sense to you guys? You get more of the audio picture. The sound stage is the word I was looking for. That's what we use. Like, you're hearing more. The sound stage just expands and it becomes even more immersive in comparison to the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. But
outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing on these.
Hold on. I think there's something I wanna say on the sound. Wait. All right, let me go to transparency mode really quick.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm look in the mirror like, I'm fitted. Look.
Okay, let me listen to myself, talk to myself. You know what I'm saying? All right. Switching. You guys see how seamless, even though I'm switching, that my phone is catching on directly. Long hold. Okay, long press for transparency. Transparency mode. Okay, it's definitely different, but you know, I'm gonna say this. Transparency mode, I feel like it makes more sense on the AirPods Pro 2. Not that it doesn't make sense on these. You know what I'm saying? It's a plus here, but like these have a seal, so the transparency mode, like it brings back what's taken away. With these, your environment isn't fully taken away, so this just adds to what's already there. That's the best way I could put it. And sound
like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing.
Man, I'm gonna tell you like this. You can't go wrong either way. There is a plus to going with the AirPods Pro 2. Better seal, better pro level, quote unquote, by Apple, active noise cancellation, and it is better. And I feel like a better transparency mode because, again, like I said, you're cut off from your environment and it's bringing it back in, and it just levels it out and makes it just feel so natural. So, and from the sound perspective, since these have a superior active noise cancellation, the sound signature and the immersion expands, and it's just trying to think of ways to talk without getting too nerdy in audio and stuff, but it's a better representation of the audio and you're more connected to it. And like I said, the bass sound and the bass connection and feel is a little bit more connected, and just overall the audio soundstage and what's being painted is a little bit more clear, if that makes sense. With these, man, these are great. I'm gonna use these all the time. I love AirPods. They're the most convenient audio source for mobile phones and mobile accessories on the iPhone platform. They work extremely well. They connect to all your Apple devices, your Apple TV, your iPad, your phone, even if you have multiple phones. Just to show you real quick, this is Apple ecosystem at its finest, right? I didn't connect these to my iPhone 16 Pro, but if I put these in, as you guys can see, it's already connected. That's convenience right there. That's next level. So let me see if I go to Apple Music on here, right? I hit play. Man, it's that simple, baby. So yeah, if I was making a decision between the two, or if I'm helping you make a decision between the two, I mean, for $179.99, you're getting a great package with the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. This is definitely a step up from the normal AirPods. So if you want a step up and you know, you're not trying to step up to $249.99, this right here is the sweet spot for sure. But if you want the whole kit and caboodle, you want the top of the top, you want the best noise cancellation, the best immersion, the best transparency, you're gonna go here with the AirPods Pro 2. But if I had to pick in between the two, you know, for me, it's tough to say because I'm gonna own both and I know I'm gonna use both, and I use both in different environments. This is gonna be my more casual wear, my chill, and this is gonna be when I need, you know, that extra effectiveness, or I'm requiring that, the travel, you know, joints and whatnot. But around the crib, FaceTiming, chilling, oh, these are probably gonna get more use than these, just to keep it a buck. Hopefully that helps you make a decision. This was my AirPods 4 with transparency versus the AirPods Pro 2. Honestly, both are great products. I enjoy both. And again, let me get to it.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits.
Oh, and just on a side note, mention, I mean, there are other products out there, like from Samsung, that you can get into with the Buds 3 Pro. These are really good, nice active noise cancellation, decent transparency and whatnot. So, you know, it's not like it's just Apple only in the world of things, but for the Apple ecosystem, these definitely are the better go.
No cup of jokers, this is acidic, so I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm that. Look in the mirror like, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing on these. They getting they feeling and dragged down. That's why they just crash out.